Okay, so thank you for providing the additional information. The the issue is this. According to the manufacturer's parts manual, there's only one trim design for either a 4189 non-keyed exterior or a 4190 keyed exterior version of this lock. But clearly in your photographs, you are missing a piece of important critical componentry. Your existing interior will have this tailpiece, will have this slide knob, but what you're missing is the pin that the cylinder engages to make the lock operate. So all of this assembly is missing. Why that's the case, I don't know, except that it certainly could be that some door equipment manufacturer went to Adams Rite and said, I need 10,000 locks. They're all non-keyed. So yeah, Adams Rite is not going to necessarily go through the trouble of giving you the pin and then its holder for the pin. I've seen them before. I've ordered the 410942 interior trims, and they've sent it without the pin. And the client gets it and says, yeah, there's no pin. It won't work. Yeah, because they sent the wrong thing, and then there's no way to get a part number for those that I've ever been able to handle or to come up with. So as you basically already know, your lock is going to slide into the hub, and as you move your lock, your button up and down, and I can't do it because I can't do it easily, okay, because it's all allowing to move, okay. And what's happening is that pin is going up and down as well. So the function of the pin is when you bring the exterior trim, okay, and you rotate the key on the outside, that tailpiece obviously drives that pin up and down, just like the thumb turn does. So you're missing the pin. So unfortunately, in order to accomplish this, originally, of course, we said that the interior trim is the same for either exterior keyed or non-keyed, and according to the parts manual, that is absolutely the case. But you do have that funny variant that you will have to now order a new interior trim, and what we need to know for that is, of course, the door thickness, which you have already provided. Below this video link explaining what the problem is, I will have a link to the item that I would recommend that you purchase. Please keep the questions coming, and thank you for reaching out to us.